starving and exhausted. Hopefully it's not street food.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are Weedy and Bernard with Explore As We Go. We are full-time travelers that have been on the road since April 2019. On our first year of travel, we decided to stay in Bangkok for a whole month. Join us as we share with you our experiences with food, accommodation, and of course, adventure. In this vlog, we are showcasing some of our favorite eats on the streets and in the malls of Bangkok. Stay until the end as we highlight icon Siam with one of the tastiest sweet treats.
We are at Nana Plaza. This is so crazy. There's so much food and entertainment around here.
We just got really hungry, so we decided to take a walk outside of our hotel. And we're just super excited right now because there's so much street food. Everything is amazing and looks so affordable and delicious. So look at our haul right now. We got 2 chicken gapao, or like stir-fried chicken over rice, for only 100 baht. Fruits, 4 types for 100 baht. And a bunch of like snacks and soda water for another 100 baht. This is what living in Thailand is all about. Awesome tasting food for super affordable prices.
So in total, everything is about $10, and we are going to eat our fill and watch some Big Bang Theory.
Let's dig in. I'm so hungry. Cheers. Soda water. So good. Oh. A little spicy.
Hi, my babies. I love you. Love you too, mommy. Yeah, just
It's more sweet than I thought.
Where's that?
And the rice are like fluffy.
Hi, where are you off to?
I love rice.
El Parque?
This is so insane. We're crossing the bridge to Platinum Mall, and this is like the central area. There's traffic all the way down the street. We're here, and we're gonna get some food.
Platinum Mall is centrally located in Bangkok near the shopping centers of Siam and Central World. Known for its indoor stall shopping experience, it is always a hot stop for us. We decided to shop here today, but also wanted to check out their awesome food court on the top floor filled with a variety of foods.
Having lunch in a food court, and I got duck noodles, we got duck rice, and we got fried noodles to go with it. Let's dig in. You have it too.
Let's try out the Platinum Mall food.
Pretty good.
What is that? This is pig's blood. And I usually like it in like a rice form, but this is by itself, so let's see what it tastes like. Interesting. Tastes metallic. Yum.
After our duck lunch, we did some light window shopping on the top floor that has lotion, oils, and other knickknacks. After a little while, we were hungry again and headed to our favorite chicken rice place in Bangkok, the Goang Pratunam chicken rice. Goang Chicken Rice is a restaurant on the side of the road near Platinum Mall, and as the name boasts, it is a famous chicken rice place. Every time we're in Bangkok, we make sure to stop by this place as it is tasty, quick, and easy. Each meal is served with chicken, rice, sliced cucumbers, and a clear broth and dipping sauce. A great meal or snack anytime throughout the day. No trip is complete without visiting the new Icon Siam Mall, opened in late 2018, famously located near the iconic Chao Phraya River. We had to make a pit stop here to check out the shopping experience, but also find some yummy eats to satisfy our tummies.
Icon Siam has a really interesting food court concept. They have like themed restaurants or themed street vendors within the mall. And I think this is like the Southern Thai. And there's just like vendors just like lined up and selling different types of food that is food court prices. So we got a bowl of beef noodle soup and I got wonton noodle soup for 80 baht each. And there's like just very odd. You can sit on the floor, you like stools, and it's kind of like a theme park, but it's not. It's a very interesting concept, very interesting retail concept. We're gonna get our fix right now, so let's eat. Piping hot. I feel like I'm in a theme park in Disney World, but I'm in Thailand. Everything is so intricately done, like the decoration, the layout, the architecture. Oh my god, they're eating in pods. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. How is that?
I'm in heaven.
Isn't it sweet?
It's my favorite of everything. Carbs, sugar, milk, all mixed into one. It's amazing. So gonna die tonight. It's like melting in your mouth. It's just crispy. Honey is just perfect. Hurry up and take some. So
This is cool. It's a wall made out of Christian Louboutin red soles. You can smell the leather. Can't afford it.
Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for more adventures in Bangkok, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our content.